Hey, what's going on? All my homies, dudes, and dudettes. It's your boy Will, and got another box to open up. I'm ready to crack into it, and actually, let's jump right on into it. It's a smaller box, so not too bad. I will put this in a better frame for you guys, but it's a smaller box, so you just crack it open like that. And let's see. There we go. And oh, so obviously, as you can see, I got something from Fragrance by CA. Got the foam nuts, and got a package here. Okay. And oh, you want to see in the box? And this is the other one that I wanted. Oh yeah, Figue. That's one of the fragrances that I have been thinking about checking out for a while, and I finally saw it on a good price for it. And let's see, I can't remember this other fragrance that I ordered, but they have it in this. I've never seen them put in like a box like this before. Let's see. I think I got a sample. I mean, not a sample, but a tester unit of something. Oh yeah. This is the Elizabeth. The Nirvana, but this one, which one is this? I think it was called Silver or something like that. I'll have to look up the name because it's not on the bottle anywhere. As you can see, that's the top, that's the side. It has tester on it, and it might be on the bottom there, and on that side it just says Nirvana. So yeah, I'll check out the name in a minute. Okay, so let's just we're here, so let's go ahead and jump right in and see how it smells before we even know what the name is. I probably will have the name listed up here already, but for right now, I'm doing this live with you guys, live presentation. So I don't know what the name is, but you guys know what the name is. All right, this is a tester. Oh, but it didn't spray it immediately. Now I got one of these Nirvana. Oh, this is nice. Oh my goodness, this is kind of like blue. It's a fresh, oh, this is a fresh, sexy fragrance. Oh man, this maybe, I think this was listed as a female, and I could see this being unisex. But if you got your swag together, this is nice. It's it kind of has a powdery kind of Irish kind of vibe to it, with a little sweetness on top of that. But it's fresh. Like it has it. Well, I don't know if it does, but it smells like it has musk or either ginger or something like that. Like it's fresh. It's vibrant but sexy at the same time. This is nice. This is nice. This is nice, and I probably would. I think this is completely in the middle, unisex. I could see smelling this on a female and really digging it, and I could see me wearing it also, you know, with a like a nice fitted blue button-down shirt with a, you know, a cream color blazer and some like brown slacks. Oh my goodness, this is nice. This is nice. This is a winner. I never smelled this one before. I never smelled the other one before either. But I kind of had an idea what the other one smells like. And also because I got it because Cuba from Cuba No, he talks so highly about it, and I like fig fragrances. So Cuba, if this is a dud, you owe me some money, buddy. But this is a blind buy. I never smelled it before. I figured, I go ahead and jump into it and get it. It was a niche fragrance, but why not? Why not? Go ahead and jump into it and get it. I'm not sure about the packaging. I think this may be the new packaging. I don't know if it was like this before, but there's the front of the box. The side has nothing on it. The back has a little bit of information on it if you want to pause and look at it. The other side has nothing on it. The top just has this little emblem, and then the bottom has the is that come in a barcode and all the other information. I have it upside down, I think, one way or the other. All right, so let's check it out. Okay. All right, having a little hard time getting into the box. So yeah, just a basic box. It just has one flap over top of it. The bottle is pretty nice bottle. It's like a purple see-through bottle. Let's get some a spray strip. This is just a first impressions. I've never smelled it before. Just want to check it out, see how it is. Let's see. Oh yeah. This is a nice fig. This is like a juicy fig. Yeah, I'm digging this. But this is a niche fragrance. It is niche, but it's something that's easier to wear than a normal niche fragrance, if that makes any sense. Yeah, I'm digging this. This would be nice for like the spring, probably summer, maybe fall, depending on how the performance is. It probably will work okay for the fall. I'm digging this. This is nice. I'm gonna get some notes, figure out the notes on these things, and figure out the name of this other fragrance, and I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back in, and I got the notes here, and this one, oh my goodness, this one here, it doesn't have the name on it, but it's called Nirvana French Grey by Elizabeth and James, the Olsen twins fragrance company. And this smells so good. This is smelling more feminine now than it did in the initial spray. So I'm going to go ahead and get a spray on my finger. How about that? I just want to see how it smells on skin and see if it, yeah, it smells really good. This is really good. It's bright. So the notes for this, oh shoot, what's going on with my computer? Let's see, the notes are, it's only 3 notes. It's neroli, lavender, and musk. That musk and the neroli, it is a bright neroli, and it smells like it's something else other than lavender in here, but the musk is very fresh in it, and it kind of smells like it has like ginger or something like that in it, because it's bright. This is really good. And now on my finger, some other floral notes are coming out, like the lavender. Maybe it's the lavender, but it smells like a brighter lavender, it smells a little feminine. It's a little more feminine. I still like it though. All right, so the next one was this Figue. Oh my goodness, that smells really good too. I got the notes for that too. Let's see. For the Figue, I guess I'm not sure if this is the original bottle or not, but that's what I have here on the with the notes. So the notes for the Figue, there are Figue, obviously. On the top notes is Figue, lemon, and blackcurrant. Then in the middle notes we have green leaves, floral notes, and jasmine and sandback. Then in base notes we have cedar, musk, and amberwood. Nice, nice, nice. This one I think is going to be really good for the summer. So I want to just see how it smells on my skin also. Oh my goodness. Ooh, 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 this is nice. Oh man. Actually, it smells better on skin than it does on the paper. The Figue is juicier on my skin. Oh my goodness. Like this smells like a fig salad. Like a fruit fig salad with maybe some other citrus notes in it. This is nice. Oh yeah, this is gonna be really good for the summertime. I'm digging this. This is gonna be really good. So yeah, that's all I got. I just wanted to crack open those boxes. This is just the first impression. I am going to have to put these on skin and actually wear them to see how they are. This one is becoming a little bit more floral. That's the French gray. A little more floral. I can still see me wearing it. The opening is probably a little bit better than right now. And the Figue, man, this is nice. Like the Figue, it still has the Figue there, but something else is coming out. It almost smells like blood orange or something coming up under the Figue. I don't know, but it smells good. All right, that's all I got for you today. Just wanted to run through those fragrances, check them out with me, and that's it. Thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world. Share with me. Talk about the 2 new fragrances that I got today and you enjoyed with me. Until next time, it's your boy Will with the Will Report. Deuces.